Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Samsung's foldable phones, focusing on the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Stick around for all the exciting details. Name debate, Slim versus Ultra. There's been a lot of speculation about Samsung's new foldable. Will it be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim or Ultra? According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, it will be named the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Portability over specs. Ice Universe reveals that the Fold 6 Slim is designed to be thinner, emphasizing portability over major upgrades. It won't have significant enhancements compared to the standard Fold 6, but won't be a downgrade either. No S Pen support. One notable change is the absence of S Pen support in the Fold 6 Slim. Samsung is achieving a thinner design by removing the digitizer needed for pen input. If you love the S Pen, the standard Fold 6 might be a better choice for you. Pricing expectations. Despite fewer upgrades and no S Pen support, the Fold 6 Slim might be pricier than the standard Fold 6. This premium could be due to the slimmer design. Conclusion and call to action. That's our update on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more tech news. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the Fold 6 Slim? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.